Hey, what's up, Axie Infinity holder? This time I have two good news, my brother, for all Axie holder, and definitely, my friend, something very special for all of you now. So kindly don't miss this video, and please watch video completely, my brothers, to understand better now. Can upcoming time can they will give you a profit or not, my brother? So there is a 70 to 80% chance to upcoming time Axie will make you millionaire now, will give you a profit, but definitely, my friend. First of all, my friend, I will give you something very shock news. So let's see, my brother. This time you can see, my brother, the change occur last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 days. All change occur is fails down. That's clear, my brothers. To the price is also very badly fails down. So what's the main reason, my brothers, to the price is decreasing now? Because, my brother, the start of month every coin fails down, and especially in those days, my friend, as you can see here, when short-term investor they see a good profit, so absolutely they will, my friends, starting selling now, and my friends take a risk now. So I know, my brothers, to upcoming time the price will be increasing if you are hold, so kindly you need to hold, and please, my brother, in upcoming time the price will be going double now. So if you have any plan to invest more, so invest now. Alright, my brother, the second, as you can see, my brother, this time the prediction is very simple now, and this time the price is very badly fails around. So this price, my brother, as you can see here, is also very high now, 42.25 USD dollar. I think this is very good time for all of you now. Alright, this time, as you can see, my friend, the first line touched the highest point, the second line touched the lowest point. So after a fail, every coin will take a jump now, and after a fail, every coin will take a jump now. So I know, my brothers, to upcoming time they will give you a profit now. So why you miss this chance? Please take a risk and get a profit. I know, my brother, I'm 100% sure they will give you a profit, so please don't miss this chance. Alright, my brother, my opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box, and my opinion is clearly, my brother, to please hold it now. I know, my brother, so they will give you a profit, so please don't miss this chance. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.